Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. If you're in the market for a spacious, reliable, and modern people mover, the 2026 Isuzu Hiace 10-seater is definitely worth a closer look. Designed with both utility and comfort in mind, this latest iteration of the Hiace brings together smart design, improved performance, and a more refined driving experience that makes it ideal for both commercial use and large family transportation. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2026 Hiace retains its iconic van shape but with a more aerodynamic silhouette, sharper body lines, and a slightly lowered front nose for better road presence and visibility. The front fascia features a bold grille with chrome detailing, flanked by sleek LED headlamps that not only look modern but offer better nighttime visibility. The sliding doors on both sides make passenger access super easy, especially in tight parking spots or busy city streets, and the overall stance of the vehicle feels balanced and purposeful. Inside, the Hiace has taken a big leap forward in terms of cabin refinement and passenger comfort. The 10-seater configuration is well thought out, with 3 rows of seats that are generously spaced, supportive, and equipped with adjustable headrests. There's ample legroom in all rows, which is not something you can say about every van in this segment. The materials used in the cabin are a step above what you'd expect from a purely utilitarian vehicle. There's soft-touch plastic on the dash, neatly stitched fabric or optional leather seats depending on the trim, and a generally more premium feel all around. For the driver, the dashboard is ergonomic and intuitive, with a clean digital analog instrument cluster and a centrally mounted 9-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and multiple storage compartments make long journeys or daily commutes more manageable and comfortable. Now, when it comes to performance, the 2026 Isuzu Hiace doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it's powered by a refined 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, similar to what we've seen in some of Isuzu's more rugged vehicles like the D-Max. It produces around 150 to 170 horsepower and delivers a strong torque output in the ballpark of 450 Nm, which gives it excellent pulling power even when fully loaded with passengers and luggage. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, both of which are tuned for smooth gear changes and fuel efficiency. On the road, the Hiace feels surprisingly nimble for its size. Thanks to an improved suspension system and stiffer chassis, it handles better around corners and offers a smoother ride over rough surfaces. It's rear-wheel drive, which gives it better load balance and control, especially when accelerating under weight. Despite its size, it doesn't feel like a burden to drive in city traffic or narrow streets, and the steering is light enough to make parking and maneuvering relatively easy. Noise insulation has also been improved significantly in this model. Engine clatter and road noise are kept to a minimum, making for a more peaceful cabin environment, which is crucial for long-distance drives or shuttle services. Safety is another area where the 2026 Hiace makes a strong case for itself. It comes standard with dual front airbags, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, vehicle stability control, hill start assist, and a rear-view camera, all of which combine to provide a secure driving experience. Higher trims may include features like lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and even adaptive cruise control. These additions show that Isuzu is serious about keeping up with modern safety expectations, not just ticking boxes. There's also the fact that the Hiace is built on a stronger, crash-tested platform designed to absorb and deflect impact forces more efficiently, providing peace of mind whether you're carrying coworkers, school kids, or your extended family. What makes the 2026 Isuzu Hiace stand out in a crowded van market is its versatility. This vehicle isn't just for one kind of buyer. It can be adapted for a number of uses: airport shuttle, school transport, tourism services, or even just a large family car for people who need room without wanting to step into the world of full-size buses. With its robust build quality, dependable drivetrain, and low running costs, thanks to Isuzu's reputation for reliability and the fuel economy of the diesel engine, it's an investment that pays off long-term. It's also worth mentioning the ease of maintenance. Isuzu has a strong service network in many regions, and parts availability is solid, which means downtime is minimal and upkeep isn't a financial burden. For fleet owners, that's a big deal. Even in terms of customization, Isuzu offers several variants and optional packages that allow buyers to tweak the configuration, be it enhanced seat materials, entertainment screens, or extra cargo room in the rear if fewer seats are needed. To sum it all up, the 2026 Isuzu Hiace 10-seater blends the best of both worlds, functionality and comfort. It drives better than you'd expect for a van of its size, it looks more stylish and modern than previous models, and it's loaded with enough tech and safety features to satisfy both business users and everyday drivers. Whether you're a transport operator looking to expand your fleet, a hotelier in need of a guest shuttle, or simply someone with a big family and bigger travel plans, the Hiace stands out as a smart, reliable choice. It doesn't try to be flashy or over the top. Instead, it focuses on being consistently good at what matters most: moving people safely, comfortably, and efficiently. If you're in the market for a multi-passenger vehicle in 2026, the Isuzu Hiace deserves a spot on your shortlist.